feeding the seagulls Lay's, Cheetos, and Cheez-Its. I'm going to be sorting out all of the different foods in different piles and far away from each other to see if they actually like them.
Get him, record. Which one did he eat?
They like all of them! Yeah. He's waiting for more.
That's where it was right here. That's all their tracks.
I'm giving more stuff for the seagulls. All right, now I took away the Cheetos and put some wheat thins in there. See if they like those. Okay, got all this stuff for the seagulls. I didn't get any Cheetos. I couldn't find any, so I got some wheat thins. Oh boy, there's a dog here, so maybe not a good idea. Right, now it's time to get this and put it down. Cheez-Its, wheat thins, and Lay's. All right, we got some Cheez-Its on the left, wheat thins in the middle, and Lay's on the right. Oh, look. He just came. Ooh, this seagull just came. Yep.
Yeah, he got it all.
Oh, you got him, huh?
Look, it was right here. See the spots? Yeah, he got it all. He's coming back over here.
I'm gonna run it. Then my sister got mad at the seagulls for eating all her Cheez-Its and chased them away. Make sure to subscribe, smash that notification bell, and click the thumbs up if you like this video. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.